Yeah, I'm coming out straight this time. I'm coming out with a little of my own kind of peace of mind. I'm doing it my way this time, like I'm not gonna bore you with some flimsy kind of piece of rhymes. So pull a cushion, sit back, relax and listen to this introduction of me, myself and my mission. My vision is to let you all see that there's more to this life than just faking up reality. Yeah, reality. I wake up in the morning and I stretch out my feet. Say a thank you prayer, then I brush up my teeth. A little exercise and then I grab something to eat. Put on a piece of cloth and I step out into the street. Then into the studio just to cook up some beat. Later to the club to make the people feel the heat. Make an honest living and I'm proud about it. Making sure that all my mistakes I don't repeat. Like I mind my own business and I don't give a shit. I say what's on my mind, I don't have time to edit. Got to thank the Lord that He set me on me feet. Oh praise the Lord, He give me power to defeat. If you give me stone instead of to give me meat, I try to pan it and I try to forget it. Everybody know that me too legit to quit. Everybody know that me physically fit. Everybody know that me humble and cool. But some people them take me for a fool of neighbor. Ever give another man yawa. So the reason why I say for neighbor is that I got my conscience by my side. Got peace of mind inside of neighbor. No matter what them do, I'm going to make my dough. So the reason why I say for neighbor is who got us blessed. No man can curse. Hey, no man can curse. No, who got us blessed? No man can curse. The rest of my life, I got to be stronger to be ready for the strife. I know some people will say some things that will cut like a knife. I know some people will say that I might never find a wife, but I'll do my thing my way. Oh my brother, no be fight. Sometimes I might be wrong, sometimes I might be right, but I keep my head straight and I'll keep my game tight. Cause waiting I see a future where they bright. Got to have it all, not just the bite. Got to have it all, not by power, not by might, but cause Kenny's music at my back day and night. And the Almighty Lord, Him never let me leave inside. But upon on top of that, I still feel my people bright. So I promise I go use my music to they shine the light. I know go call the form like say I know they sight. I go bear my mind, I go bear I'm black and white. Just because I say I know finish school, some people them they take me for a fool of neighbor. Never give another man yawa. So the reason why I say for neighbor is that I got my conscience by my side. Got peace of mind inside of neighbor. No matter what them do, I'm going to make my dough. So the reason why I say for neighbor is who got us blessed. No man can curse. No man can curse. Oh yeah, who got us blessed? No man can curse. Who got us blessed? No man can curse. Yeah. So I say, welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Oh, me I get plenty things to talk about. Yeah. I say me I get plenty things to yarn about. Yeah. They happen and nothing they happen. That's so now. Just be, you understand? Yeah, that's so. That's my so. People all over the world, man. You know that's funny things, special things. One love, man. You understand? That's so. Yeah. I see the sun in the sky, but it's an illusion. I'm feeling so high, and from all the stress and the madness of today, my brother, he dey pain me. But what can I say? I said I so confusion, complete pollution, total corruption in every nation. Yeah, I feel like failing, but my voice they fail me, and now it's got me going crazy. Plus it's got me wishing. See, I wish I could fly up to nowhere. I wish I could could fly, 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 fly up to nowhere. The only thing in my eyes is tears of frustration from what I'm feeling inside, yeah. Cause it feels like a market door is closing in on me. In the middle of the beautiful things in this world, destruction is all I see. Sodom and Gomorrah, it's coming back again. I constantly feel the pain of all the innocent people being slain. But I remember, say my papa been tell me, say my son, you know go easy, you know go easy for she. See, I feel like quelling, but my voice they fail me. Now it's got me going crazy, cause it's got me wishing and thinking. I wish I could fly, 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 fly up nowhere. I wish I could fly, 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 fly up to nowhere. Wish I could fly, 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 fly up to nowhere. I wish I could fly, 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 fly up to nowhere. Wish I could fly to South Africa without a visa. Wish I could go to Japan and say, yo, Jina, yo, Gangai, together. I wish I could just fly to Ethiopia and tell them how far. Wish I could fly to America, tell them I'm a super duper star. Wish I could fly everywhere. Hey, hey. Wish I could fly. Say I wish I could fly. You know they can't fly while they talk now. No shaking, man. Anyhow, one love, man. But I'm stuck here, man. I can't fly nowhere, man.